I'm getting dry mouth. I'm getting dry mouth. How's that hit your pleasure senses? Can't even say that properly. How does that hit your pleasure senses? Pleasure. Did I say pleasure? My God. Baby Yoda and Baby Groot, all of the gods. All right. I'll get it. The last one was pretty good. Oh, this wasn't actually the Field Days that supplied this script. This is a combination of many feeble attempts. Please, absolutely free to tear it to pieces. Would really appreciate your input. Just off to Townsville tomorrow if I really need... Casey, you could have visited me. You came to Townsville, and that was in December though. Yeah, I was on leave over that time. We could have met up. Could have had a coffee or a beer. All right. The Richmond Field Days, Northwest Queensland. Come out back and experience a weekend where there is something for everyone. With hundreds of exhibitors. With hundreds of exhibitors, it's impossible to walk away empty-handed. Throw on your best dress for fashions of the field. Throw on your best dress for fashions of the field and try your luck on the horses. Or break that old mower and join the iconic mower race. Be amused with live entertainment and excellent hospitality across the whole weekend. A great weekend to catch up with friends, new and old. Don't miss the Richmond... let's do this. Do this again! But... Big energy. The Richmond Field Days, Northwest Queensland. Come out back and experience a weekend where there is something for everyone. With hundreds of exhibitors. Just 100 of them. The Richmond Field Days, Northwest Queensland. Come out back and experience a weekend where there is something for everyone. With hundreds of exhibitors, it's impossible to walk away empty-handed. Throw on your best dress for fashions of the field and try your luck on the horses. Or break that old mower and join the iconic mower race. Be amused with live entertainment and excellent hospitality across the whole weekend. A great weekend to catch up with friends, new and old. The Richmond Field Days, an event not to be missed. And I just got a message. Nope, that's Frankie adding a new post to Facebook. I will check that later. And a Snapchat. Happy V-Day to you, Miss Dahlia Gunn. She's a burlesque dancer. An old friend, used to work with her in Your Health in Brisbane. You can't see me, but hi. Alright, so let's do this again. When I get excited, I talk really quick, and that's probably counterproductive to a video where you're trying to get a message across clearly. The Richmond Field Days voiceover, take 36. The Richmond Field Days, Northwest Queensland. Come out back and experience a weekend where there is something for everyone. With hundreds of exhibitors, it's impossible to walk away empty-handed. Throw on your best dress for fashions of the field and try your luck on the horses. Or break that old mower and join the iconic mower race. Be amused with live entertainment and excellent hospitality across the whole weekend. A great weekend to catch up with friends, new and old. Don't miss the Richmond Field Days. The Richmond Field Days, an event not to be missed. And I'm getting a really sore throat. Radio presenters, personalities, people. How do you do this every day for hours? I'm starting to get too much content for any sort of my own video. Because one of my weaknesses is not knowing what's not funny when I say it, because I just think I'm funny. That's why I have a 25-minute video on England that I have to cut down to like 10 minutes, but it's all gold to me. The Richmond Field Days, an event not to be missed. Friday 12th and Saturday 13th June 2020. It's a long drive from Townsville, but it's worth it. Terms and conditions apply. Bring a tent. Because there's not going to be any way to stay out there. Because it is a big event. All right. Camera battery's nearly dead. And so is my light source, so I believe it's probably got like 20 minutes of light left. All right. All right, final take. Let's see how we go. Let's make it into a rap. The Richmond Field Days, Northwest Queensland. How would a mumble rapper sing it? How did you come at an experience? I don't know. Mumble rappers always sing in the exact same cadence. That's why they all kind of sound the same and similarly ridiculous. And they'll have not all mumble rappers are watching this, or I don't know if you even like call yourself mumble rappers. It's maybe an offensive term. I don't know. However, be more imaginative with your names. Little insert word here is not a good name because it's been done so many times. I don't know who the first person was. Was it Little John? Yeah! Was it Lil Wayne? What? Was it, I don't know, it could have been like some German guy called Lil Franz. Little Otto. You don't know. Don't judge me. The Richmond Field Days, an event not to be missed. I don't even know what's good anymore. I've done this that many times, it just sounds all the same to me. Is this how bad I sound to everyone else? Am I just not funny? I don't know. I hope not. Because I pride my ridiculousness on being at least a little bit funny. We did this as like a Monday.com ad. How it's just some lady talking to a microphone, like she's not even interested in the ad, but she's just get paid enough that she does a good job of it. I don't know. I don't even know anymore. The Richmond Field Days, Northwest Queensland. Come out back. Come on out back. No. What does even a country Australian sound like? I've been living away from the country for too long. Away from, country Queensland. How do we sound? Because I grew up here. I spent 18 years in southwest Queensland. Was it southwest? Central West Queensland. Ilfracombe. Or some people will say Ilfracombe. I would just say home. Because it's a nice little town. Should go visit it. Spend some money there. The general store burnt down a couple of years ago, and I hope they have another one by now, because that was a nice little shop. I used to go in there as a kid and buy lollies and ice blocks. I think I even did work experience there for a day. I just remember putting like price labels on stuff out the back. Anyway, let's do this. Be amused with live entertainment and excellent hospitality across the whole weekend. Excellent. Be amused with... Be a man. Do the right thing. Be amused with live entertainment and excellent hospitality across the whole weekend. Be amused with live entertainment and excellent hospitality. Be amused... I sound like Russell Peters. Be a man. Do the right thing. Be amazed with life... That's all I can hear now is Russell Peters in my head.
I'm leaving. He goes, hey!
Be amazed with life Come on. I've just got to get this. And my light has run out of battery. Since I'm now pretty much sitting here in the dark, I think that'll do. I'll find something in that's salvageable to use for the ad. Sorry, I talk too much. Anyway, thank you for joining in with Moments Media as I sit here and try and be a radio personality and do voiceover acting for a commercial ad, which is not one of my strong points. However, it was kind of fun. The Richmond Field Days, Northwest Queensland. Come out back and experience a weekend where there is something for everyone. With hundreds of exhibitors, it's impossible to walk away empty-handed. Break that old mower and join the iconic mower race. Throw on your best dress for fashions of the field and try your luck on the horses. Be amused with live entertainment and excellent hospitality across the whole weekend. A great weekend to catch up with friends, new and old. The Richmond Field Days, an event not to be missed.